Do you want to learn nail stamping? Then continue watching this video. At the end of the video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks that will be useful to get a perfectly stamped image. Hi, I'm Harshita Anand. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to stamp your nails perfectly. In this video, I'll be using the stamping plate set by Born Pretty, and you'll also need a stamping polish. The stamper and the scraper will come in the stamping plate set itself. Then you need scotch tape and also cotton with nail polish remover. I have cleaned my nails with nail polish remover. So I'll start with the base coat first. I'm using this Nykaa Rich Filler base coat. For the base color, I'm using this one Hekla of a color by OPI. I'm applying one thick coat, but I would suggest applying two thin coats instead of one thick coat because it will take a lot of time to dry. I painted the rest of my nails off camera, and now this is the setup for stamping. I'm using the stamping plate Floral BPX L017 and the clear jelly stamper and scraper. First we need to clean the stamper head by using a tape. It doesn't have to be scotch tape. I'm using scotch tape here. It can be tape of any brand. Never use nail polish remover to clean the stamper head. The stamping polish that I will be using today is the Citrus Paradise by Nicole Diary. So first step in stamping is to apply polish on the design. After applying the polish, take the scraper and scrape off the excess polish. Then take the stamper and gently roll over the design so that it will pick up the design neatly. Now that we have picked up the image, we need to transfer this onto our nail. So as this is a clear stamper, you can see where you will be stamping on your nail and position the stamper above your nail and gently roll over it. Now the image will be transferred to your nail perfectly. Now let's repeat the process for another nail. Again, I'm applying the polish and then scraping off the excess polish. Gently rolling the stamper over the image. Then see where you want the image and transfer it to the nail. To clean the image plate, we need to use cotton and nail polish remover or acetone. Now let's try layered stamping. This is my first time trying layered stamping. In this image plate, the Spring Garden L007, on the top row there are a few images which have layered stamping. That is, they provide the center of the image which you can stamp with one color and the outline with another color. The two stamping polishes that I've chosen for this design is Mint by Nicole Diary and the Citrus Paradise by Nicole Diary. Let's do this rose image on top. So first I'll be applying the Citrus Paradise to the center image. Then again scrape off the excess. Roll the stamper over the image and stamp it onto your nail. Then I take the next stamping polish and apply it over the outline image. Scrape off the excess. Roll the stamper over the image. Now you should be very careful while lining the outline with the center of the image. It's not bad. So this is the final look of all the stamping designs on each nail. To seal the design, I'll be using the Seshweet top coat. Now I'll be sharing some of my tips and tricks. The first one is how to clean my stamper head when I've applied nail polish to both my hands. As I showed in this video, I use tape to clean it. So if I applied nail polish even to my right hand, I might cause dents in the nail polish while cutting the tape and removing the stamping polish off the stamper. So instead what I do is I'll apply the tape to the newspaper and just roll the stamping head over it. My second tip is how to keep your cuticles clean while stamping. Today I stamped smaller images, so I did not apply anything to my cuticles because I was not going to get any stamping polish onto my cuticles. When I'm stamping larger images, I apply a liquid latex by Nicole Diary. Once you're done with stamping, you can just peel off the liquid latex. The next tip is about preventing smudges while applying top coat. When you're applying top coat, make sure that the stamping polish has dried completely. You should get a perfect blob of nail polish and then just drag the nail polish over the design without touching the brush to the nail. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.